I must take this opportunity to really express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Very rarely does it happen, for politicians especially, that we are honored and we are thanked for whatever we do. But as Christians, we always believe that kindness and gratitude is something that should be part of what we are as human beings. And I'm so happy that today the SSA Association as well as the Fourth Teachers Association, in thousands, I was surprised to see the number of teachers out here. Really surprised. So on behalf of my entire cabinet, I would like to take this opportunity.
Today we are here to inaugurate the first ever pay structure done by the Honorable Chief Minister, by Ba Rumbui, by Ba Mantri, and also by Ba Khashambi. This structure, I'm telling you, is so deep, very deep. Last year, let me tell you one thing, we could not sleep well. Thinking how to structure the package of our beloved teachers.
With the garden hearing every year, we move ahead with her.